Hey everybody, Michael here. I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about the 7-Figure Freelancer private coaching program. I like to do these in small groups, and if you're seeing this video, that means you've already understood the value of having a mentor, a coach, an instructor, someone who can help guide you to freelance success. Well, in the private group coaching, we go deeper and on a more personalized basis. So perhaps you've thought about freelancing before, maybe you're freelancing now, but you want to accelerate your growth. Whatever your current situation is, we can do a deeper dive in the small group coaching. And that's the reason I offer it. The general program is great. You get most of what you need there, but you're not going to get the individualized attention that I will be able to give you in the smaller group coaching. So in addition to the regular meetings we do with the general coaching program, small group coaching is a little bit more intimate. We meet more frequently. We have our own WhatsApp group, and I personally manage that group and interact with all of the comments and all of the threads that are happening there. So if you are looking to grow even faster, if you have a unique situation, the group coaching is definitely for you. So I encourage you guys to read about it, check it out, buy today. I limit these groups to 10 people. So once a group is full, I'm going to take down this offer. And keep in mind, it is month to month. So there are no long-term commitments here, and you'll get more than your money's worth. So that's it for now. I'll see you on the other side.